Okay, today we are going to use Packet Tracer to use the ipconfig command. This is a really interesting command that lets you look at the configuration of your computers. And we're going to use this because it's already got preset up computers on it. It's already configured, but we're going to see if there's anything wrong. Okay, so we're going to look at everything. So here is our router. Our router's internet address is 192.15.2.1. Okay. In order for that to work over here, 192.168.1. Hopefully that's something close. So we're looking at PC4. Okay, we need to go to desktop, command prompt, and now ipconfig space the slash all. So 192.168.1.1004. Okay, this is how you would find it. If you wanted to go to your regular computer, go to the command prompt and type this in. It would give you information about your computer that you might not know otherwise. It gives you the physical address that the computer uses. It tells other computers, like, you know, this is how you would get to me. Then your IP address, which is of course the most important, one of the most important ones. Then your subnet mask and your default gateway, and whether or not you have any DNS servers here, and there isn't anything. So for 4, that's what we got. Now we're going to do the same thing. Oops, sorry, hit the wrong button. Going to get rid of that. Command prompt, ipconfig space slash all. So 192.168.1.1003. You should see that 192.168.1, we want that to be the same for everything. Because if you look here, when we click the router, and it's 192.168.1. Okay, that part we need to have, and it never hurts to write that down somewhere. So far, the router and 4 and 3 look like they're talking okay. Going to go to the desktop, command prompt, ipconfig. Pretty soon, if you had to do this for a lot of computers, it would get very irritating. 192.168.1.1002. Again, it looks like it's fine. So now PC1 and the desktop, command prompt, ipconfig all 192.168.1. Okay. So we'll close this, and something I didn't show you before is here's PC1, here's PC4. Okay, so far they both have the same default gateways. You see, it brought up what I had before. Anybody see the problem? 192.168.1.1, that's correct. This is PC4. PC1.1.1, this is the default gateway. .1.1. Default gateway is how does this get from here to here. Now if we look at 2, is 2 configured correctly? So we need to remember that 2 is not configured correctly because it's .10. So if PC2 tried to get on the internet, it couldn't. So I'm going to actually close those. So we've tried everything but 3. Command prompt. It's correct. So we're going to come back here to PC2. Sorry, quick fingers. Okay, this is the incorrect one. We're going to come to config. Our gateway is going to be .1.1. And we're going to close that just to make sure it goes through here. And you can see the other difference here. These are wireless and these two are wired. Okay, so now if we go to desktop, command prompt. Now we can't keep, before we just looked at what was already there. So ipconfig, because this is going to be new, all our change has been made. You'll see that nothing else was made, no other change was made, except for the default gateway. And that is how you use the ipconfig tab. And we have fixed our configuration issue. I hope this was helpful and you have a good day.